Having trouble with WhatsApp message search on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp message search issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Now try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. Then again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now restart your iPhone and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's how you can fix the WhatsApp message search issue on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and share it with others. Subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.